Today, I will demonstrate how tldv can automatically capture, transcribe, and summarize your meetings so you can completely stop writing notes manually. Let's get started. To begin, visit tldv.io and choose the option to get started for free. Logging in with Google is highly recommended since it immediately links your Google Calendar. If you use Outlook, signing in with your Microsoft account achieves the same result. After logging in, a brief onboarding process will guide you through setting up your preferences, such as choosing whether to automatically record all calendar events, only external calls, or to handle it manually. You will also select your note-sharing preferences, choosing between making them available to all attendees or keeping them private before clicking continue. You might be offered a complimentary trial of the business tier. You can opt to begin the 7-day trial right away or simply decline the offer if you prefer to stick to the basic version for now. Next, you will specify your primary language, your department, your job role, your team size, and how you discover the platform before moving forward. The final step in setup involves installing the software, which is completely free. If Google Meet is your primary platform, you should install the Chrome extension by searching for it in the Chrome Web Store or using the direct link provided on your dashboard. If you rely more on Zoom or Microsoft Teams, download the desktop application instead. Once installed, it operates quietly in the background without needing further adjustments. For the Chrome extension, simply download it, approve the permissions, and then secure it to your browser toolbar using the pin icon for quick access. This brings you to your main dashboard, which serves as your central hub. Every single recording, transcript, and AI-generated summary will be stored here in your personal library. When you want to record an active meeting, just click the tldv icon located next to your microphone and camera controls in Google Meet. This prompts the recording assistant to enter the call, and once you admit it, the process begins. Of course, if your calendar is integrated, the system can join your scheduled sessions automatically without manual intervention. If a meeting is already happening and you are not in it yet, you can also paste the invitation link directly into your dashboard to send the bot there. While your conversation is ongoing, the tool works silently in the background to log, transcribe, and organize key moments into distinct categories called smart topics. If an exceptionally crucial point is made, you can hit the pin button on the widget to create a timestamp instantly. You can add a quick written thought to this pin or tag a teammate via Slack so they receive an immediate notification when the call ends. After the meeting concludes, return to your library and select the recording to view the results. The left side of the screen will display your AI-generated notes categorized by topic, complete with summaries and interactive timestamps that jump to that exact video segment when clicked. Below that, an interactive AI assistant allows you to ask specific questions about the discussion, such as querying decision outcomes, by scanning the transcript text. You can also apply different meeting templates to instantly reformat the notes to match standard layouts for sales updates or daily stand-ups. Finally, sharing the content is straightforward. By clicking the Share option, you can export the summaries directly to integrated platforms like Slack and Notion, or simply generate a web link to distribute via email. This allows colleagues to review the main takeaways and jump directly to relevant video segments via timestamps without watching the entire session. That covers the entire process. Once configured, the platform takes over your meeting documentation automatically, call after call.